The 2017 Atlantic hurricane season has its fourth named storm, with Tropical Storm Don forming Monday east of the Windward Islands, the larger islands of the Lesser Antilles, in the Caribbean Sea. Don, which is no threat to the U.S., is expected to dissipate midweek but could bring strong wind and heavy rain to the islands today. As of the 5 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center, Don had maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour. A tropical storm warning was in effect for Grenada, with a watch in effect for Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines and St. Lucia. Don formed in a nurturing environment with low wind shear and warm water, so some strengthening is possible Tuesday. But it is moving west at a speedy 17 miles per hour and will run into strong upper-level westerly winds with strong low-level easterly flow in the eastern Caribbean. The dueling winds at different heights are expected to tear Don apart within 72 hours. The Hurricane Center identified Don as a tropical disturbance Sunday, giving it a 50% chance of development over 48 hours in a 2 p.m. Monday forecast. An Air Force Hurricane Hunter flew into the system Monday afternoon, finding it at gain tropical storm status. The associated convection is not particularly well organized, but there is a curved band located to the north of the center and a couple of bursts have formed closer to the small circulation center, Hurricane Center forecasters wrote. Don follows Tropical Storm Arlene, which formed in the far-off Atlantic in April, and Tropical Storms Brett and Cindy, which formed in June. The peak of the hurricane season begins in August and runs through October for Florida.